The current state and future potential of Pakistan's economy. Introduction. Pakistan is a rapidly developing country with a population of over 220 million people. Despite facing numerous challenges in the past, including political instability, high inflation, and energy shortages, the country has made significant progress in recent years towards creating a stable and growing economy. Agriculture. The agriculture sector is the backbone of Pakistan's economy, accounting for around 20% of its GDP and employing approximately 43% of the country's workforce. While the sector has traditionally been dominated by cotton, rice, and wheat production, the government is working to diversify the sector through incentives for value-added agriculture and promoting non-traditional crops. The sector faces challenges such as low productivity due to outdated technology, lack of irrigation, and inadequate market access. Manufacturing and services. In addition to agriculture, manufacturing and services are also important sectors in Pakistan's economy. The country has a growing textile industry, and its strategic location as a gateway to Central Asia and the Middle East makes it an attractive destination for foreign investment in manufacturing and services. The IT sector has also been growing, with a number of Pakistani startups and tech companies making a name for themselves on the international stage. However, these sectors face challenges such as limited access to finance, high costs of doing business, and a lack of skilled workers. Infrastructure. Infrastructure development is critical for Pakistan's economic growth. The country's transportation system, including roads, railways, and ports, requires significant investment to improve connectivity and reduce transportation costs. The energy sector is another major area for infrastructure development, with the government working to address the country's frequent power outages and high energy costs through investment in renewable energy and power generation. Government reforms. The Pakistani government has implemented a series of reforms aimed at addressing the challenges facing the economy. The country's business environment has improved, and the government has taken steps to increase tax revenues and attract foreign investment. The China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, (CPEC), a major infrastructure development project funded by China, is also expected to provide a significant boost to the economy in the coming years. Challenges. Despite the progress made in recent years, Pakistan's economy still faces a number of challenges. In addition to those mentioned above, a large informal sector, high levels of poverty, and limited access to credit remain major obstacles to inclusive growth. Pakistan also faces security challenges, which can discourage foreign investment and hinder economic development. Conclusion. While there is still much work to be done, the current state of Pakistan's economy is encouraging. With a focus on improving infrastructure, diversifying the economy, and creating a more business-friendly environment, the country has the potential to continue on a path of sustained growth and development. However, to fully realize this potential, it will be important for the government to address the structural challenges facing the economy and continue implementing reforms that support economic growth and development.